Fix in 5. Let's decode P0451. EVAP fuel tank pressure sensor range/performance malfunction, voltage S, causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated on dashboard, difficulty starting engine, reduced fuel pressure, fuel odor near fuel tank area, possible fuel leak from EVAP system. Now the most likely causes. Defective or miscalibrated fuel tank pressure sensor, most common cause. Or intermittent sensor connector contacts. Damaged wiring between ECM and EVAP sensor. Blocked or malfunctioning charcoal canister control valve. ECM malfunction or obsolete software. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace faulty EVAP pressure sensor if readings are outside. Repair or replace damaged wiring/connectors. Always use AP. Replace or refit the gas cap if it's cracked or the rubber. Repair leaks or blockages in the EVAP lines/hoses. Replace a saturated or damaged charcoal canister. Reprogram or replace the ECM/PCM, rare and only if conkless. What does it cost? Roughly 30 to 80 euros doing it yourself, or 110 to 160 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it. Clean or replace corroded EVAP sensor connector and wiring. Replace defective fuel tank pressure sensor. Repair damaged wires between ECM and EVAP sensor. Perform ECM reflash if code persists after component replacement. The scanner and parts-ID use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask. How much does it cost to fix P0451? The cost to fix P0451 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device. Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0451. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.